Now we will learn about linear sequence. The type of question that appear in your O-level exam is like that. A sequence will be given and question will ask you that write the next two terms of this sequence. Here you can see that -1, 2, 3 plus 4. -1 plus 4 equal to 3. 3 increases by 4 and becomes 7. 7 increases by 4 and become 11. 11 increases by 4 and become 15. So the next term will be 4 greater than 15. So 15 plus 4, it is 19, and the next one will be 19 plus 4 equals to 23. This one is the easier part. And what is the problematic part here? This is write down the expression for the nth term. Expression for the nth term is nth term equal to an plus b. When n equals to 1, that means the first term, this is -1 equal to a into 1 plus b. That means -1 equal to a plus b. And when n equal to 2, that means the second term, the nth term, that means the second term is 3 equal to a n 2 plus b. For the first term we use the value -1, for the second term we use the second value 3. That means 3 equal to 2a plus b. Equation 1, equation 2. If we solve these two equations, we will get the values of a and b. How? If we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, what do we get? 3 minus of -1, that means 4. 2a minus a, that means a. B minus b, it cancels out. Therefore, a equal to 4. And what about b? Put the value of a in equation 1. -1 equal to 4 plus b. -1 minus 4 equals to b, that means -5 equal to b. Therefore, b equal to -5. We got the values of a and b. Therefore, the nth term is an, 4n plus b. That means 4n minus 5. This is the formula we got here, and this is the procedure of finding the expression of the nth term for a linear sequence.